Hey, what's up everybody, it's your name, and welcome back to the channel. March is here. Can you believe it's already March? Time flies when you're hustling. But look, if you haven't started a side hustle or your own business yet, don't worry, it's not too late. In fact, March is the perfect time to launch something new and exciting. Why? Because as the weather gets warmer and people start spending more time outdoors, there are tons of amazing business opportunities just waiting to be tapped into. And in this video, I'm gonna break down 9 of the most profitable business ideas that you can start this month. We're talking about ideas that have low startup costs, high profit potential, and the ability to bring in some serious cash. Want to start a profitable business this month? Stay till the end for the best ideas. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on money-making opportunities. Alright, let's kick things off with our first profitable business idea for March spring cleaning and home improvement services. As winter ends and the weather starts to warm up, people are naturally in the mood for a fresh start. They want to get rid of the clutter, clean up their homes, and maybe even tackle some long overdue repairs. This is where you come in. Offering spring cleaning services can be incredibly lucrative. Think about it. Deep cleaning, window washing, carpet shampooing, these are all things that people are willing to pay a premium for, especially if it means they don't have to do it themselves. And the best part is the startup costs are super low. You basically just need some cleaning supplies and transportation. You can also capitalize on the home improvement wave by offering services like junk removal, decluttering, and organization. So, whether you're a cleaning pro, an organization guru, or a handyman, or woman, there's a huge opportunity to cash in on the spring cleaning and home improvement craze. Next up, let's talk about another hot market in March: seasonal fashion and accessories. As the weather warms up, people are ready to ditch the heavy coats and boots and embrace lighter, brighter clothing. This creates a fantastic opportunity for you to tap into the world of online retail. One of the easiest ways to get started is by selling trendy spring fashion and accessories through a dropshipping store. With dropshipping, you don't have to hold any inventory yourself. You simply create an online store, list products from a supplier, and when someone places an order, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. It's a low-risk, low-cost way to test out different product ideas and see what sells. Think about the accessories that people crave in the spring. Sunglasses, hats, jewelry, lightweight scarves. With a little bit of effort and a keen eye for fashion, you can turn your passion for style into a profitable business. Alright, moving on to our third business idea for March, and this one's perfect for those of you with a green thumb, starting a gardening and landscaping business. As the days get longer and the weather gets warmer, people start paying more attention to their outdoor spaces. They want lush lawns, vibrant gardens, and inviting patios. This is where you come in. March is the ideal time to start planting, so you can offer a wide range of services like lawn care, planting, weeding, and even small landscaping projects. You can target homeowners in your neighborhood, apartment complexes, or even businesses looking to spruce up their outdoor areas. You can also capitalize on the growing trend of organic gardening by offering eco-friendly products and services. People are becoming more conscious of the chemicals they use in their gardens, so using organic fertilizers, pest control, and soil amendments can be a major selling point. By providing exceptional service and high-quality plants, you can cultivate a thriving gardening and landscaping business. Let's face it, after a long winter, everyone's dreaming of sunshine and adventure. And that brings us to our fourth profitable business idea for March travel and tourism-related services. With spring break just around the corner and summer vacation on the horizon, the travel industry is about to explode. Now you might be thinking, I'm not a travel agent, how can I cash in on this? Well, the beauty of the internet is that you don't need to be a traditional travel agent to tap into this lucrative market. One option is to offer trip planning services. Many people are overwhelmed by the sheer number of travel options available, so they're willing to pay someone to do the research and create a personalized itinerary for them. Another option is to become a travel affiliate marketer. This involves partnering with travel companies like airlines, hotels, and tour operators, and promoting their products or services on your website or social media channels. You earn a commission for every sale that you generate through your unique affiliate link. Starting a YouTube travel channel or blog can be a fantastic way to share your adventures, connect with a global audience, and generate income through advertising, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. The key to success in the travel niche is to be specific. Alright, let's switch gears and talk about a fun and festive business idea for March. Capitalizing on the St. Patrick's Day craze. Love it or hate it, you can't deny that St. Patrick's Day is a huge commercial holiday. People love to celebrate all things Irish, and that means there's a lot of money to be made. Now, when it comes to St. Patrick's Day products, the key is to think beyond the typical green beer and leprechaun hats. Think about designing and selling themed t-shirts with funny slogans, eye-catching graphics, or even personalized designs. You can also tap into the party atmosphere by selling decorations, party favors, and even themed baking supplies. People are always looking for ways to add a festive touch to their St. Patrick's Day celebrations. So get creative and think outside the box. Utilize social media, online marketplaces, and even local craft fairs to promote your products and generate buzz. And don't forget to offer excellent customer service and fast shipping to ensure that your customers are happy with their purchases. Now let's shift gears and talk about a business idea that's perfect for those of you with valuable knowledge to share: online coaching and courses. March is a great time for this because people are often looking to set new goals and improve themselves as they head into the spring and summer months. Think about it. What are you passionate about? What skills or knowledge do you have that others would be willing to pay for? It could be anything from business and marketing to fitness, nutrition, personal finance, or even creative pursuits like photography or writing. The beauty of online coaching and courses is that you can reach a global audience and create a flexible work schedule for yourself. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it incredibly easy to create and sell online courses, while Zoom and other video conferencing tools allow you to connect with coaching clients from anywhere in the world. To be successful in this space, it's crucial to establish yourself as an expert in your field. By delivering exceptional content and support, you can build a thriving online coaching or course business. Alright, let's face it, nobody likes thinking about taxes. But the reality is, tax season is in full swing. And that means financial services are in high demand. This presents a fantastic opportunity for those of you who are good with numbers and enjoy helping others navigate the often confusing world of finance. You can take online courses, get certified as a tax preparer, or even start by offering basic bookkeeping services to small businesses. Many people and businesses need help with other financial tasks, such as budgeting, debt management, investment advice, and retirement planning. If you have expertise in any of these areas, you can offer your services as a financial coach or consultant. The key to success in the financial services industry is to build trust and credibility. Remember, people are entrusting you with their hard-earned money, so it's crucial to be ethical, knowledgeable, and committed to helping them achieve their financial goals. Let's be real, health and wellness are more than just trends, they're here to stay. As we become more conscious of our physical and mental well-being, the demand for health and wellness products and services continues to skyrocket. And March is the perfect time to jump in, as people are looking to kickstart healthier habits after the indulgences of the holiday season. You could sell fitness equipment like resistance bands, yoga mats, or jump ropes, all of which have low startup costs and can be easily stored and shipped. Supplements are another huge market, with everything from protein powders and vitamins to nootropics and adaptogens gaining popularity. You can also tap into the growing demand for digital wellness products, such as online fitness programs, nutrition guides, meditation apps, or even create your own unique digital product, like a recipe ebook or a 30-day challenge focused on a specific aspect of wellness like stress reduction or sleep improvement. Partner with established health and wellness brands and promote their products or services on your website, blog, or social media channels. The key to success in the health and wellness space is to be authentic and passionate about what you're promoting. Okay, let's talk about the future because it's here. AI and digital services are absolutely booming and there's never been a better time to jump on board. Now I know what you might be thinking. I'm not a tech whiz. How can I possibly start a business in this space? But here's the thing. You don't need to be a coding genius to take advantage of these incredible tools. One of the easiest ways to get started is by offering AI-generated content creation services. Tools like Jasper and Copy.ai can help you create high-quality blog posts, website copy, social media captions, and even video scripts in minutes. You can offer these services to businesses that don't have the time or resources to create their own content. AI-powered design tools like Canva and Designs.ai make it easy for anyone to create stunning graphics, logos, and marketing materials. But with a little bit of effort, you can leverage the power of AI to build a profitable and scalable business. There you have it, some of the most profitable business ideas for March. We've covered everything from spring cleaning and home improvement services to the exciting world of AI and digital services. Remember, the key to success is to choose an idea that aligns with your skills, interests, and resources. Don't be afraid to start small, test different approaches, and pivot if something isn't working. The most important thing is to take action, and start building your dream business today. Which one excites you the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like,